The cryptocurrency market seems to be stabilizing at this point, with many coins pushing into consolidation with some sideways movement in anticipation of the next move up. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Ethereum specifically, what I'm looking out for, and where I think it's heading next. And with that, let's dive straight into the charts. Thanks for joining me today on the TradeConfident.io website. We're going to scroll straight down to Ethereum, and the first metric we're taking a look at is the Ethereum Emotional Index. Things are pointing bullish right now as we have dropped into fearful territory. Most often when we drop into fearful, this is where we're seeing some pretty intense moves up, and this is exactly what I'm expecting to happen. As long as the SEC doesn't do anything else crazy, a move up is very likely as whales and retailers begin buying this dip. Next up is going to be the Ethereum Volatility Breakout Detector. We are very nearly in low volatility. Volatility has dropped significantly as we started this sideways movement, this consolidation. This is very normal, and in fact, Bitcoin actually is in low volatility at this point. After consolidation periods, though, like we saw back here, when we hit low volatility, this is where we're seeing much bigger moves in the market. So as this continues, it may be for a little bit, but after we've been in low volatility for a little bit, we are very likely to see some pretty significant moves. To determine the direction, we got to take a look at the Ethereum Whale Smart Money metric. We are still seeing tons and tons of long trade sentiment in the market. In fact, previous days have surpassed the 600 to 800 mark that we're typically looking for moves back up in the market from. With that in mind, as soon as this consolidation ends, I think it's more likely to see a move up. Next up is going to be the Ethereum major support and resistance levels. We are currently hitting structure support and resistance. I'm just going to call this whole area structure support, but at $1,737, $1,759, and $1,785. All of these are basically current structure supports, a little bit overboard, but we can still consider that support. From there, structure resistance is actually going to be 1,928. That's the first level I'm looking at. Moving on now to the Ethereum long versus short trades. Right now, long trades are steadily increasing in Ethereum. This is very exciting to see, especially as short trades do not appear to be moving much at all. Long trade volume increasing means that we're likely to see moves up incoming soon. And last but not least, we got to take a look at the Ethereum daily trade scanner. Within the next couple of candles, I'm hoping to see a buy signal right about here, just as we did previously multiple times, all of which resulted in small moves up. Personally, I'm hoping this will be a little bit of a bigger move up due to the larger drop. However, we're going to have to pay attention to these metrics every single day on Ethereum to really know which direction and how far it's going to go. On top of Ethereum metrics and metrics across 22 coins total, you can get access to our Morning Brew overview, future forecast, members-only content right there, trade setups, and many more benefits. If you want to join our membership, you can snag it at the link in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click Show More, and the membership will be the very first link. Click that link, and it will bring you to the Trade Confident website. Just hit subscribe up here, fill out your information, and personally, I recommend the full access for $59 a month because it gives you access to all of those membership benefits I was telling you about. Just go ahead and click choose, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. Back on the live charts, looking at Ethereum USD on the 1-day time frame using the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trend exhaustion indicators. We are currently sitting at structure support at $1,719. This has been maintained several times in the past. This is a super strong structure support. So that right there is one of the first reasons I'm looking bullish at Ethereum. Next up, we have price versus while money flow super low on its chart. This is actually the lowest we've seen it in a very long time, right at about 24, and this shows whales have oversold. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too, and after being oversold, whales are very likely to begin buying back into the market to buy the dip. This is very, very normal behavior. We saw it back here, and of course it resulted in a move up as well. Now at the same time, the downtrend right here appears to be exhausted as we are very nearly in the bottom red section. When we get both trend exhaustion low and price versus while money flow low, these are both extremely bullish, and as we approach the structure support and test it, as pressure builds right here with this basically a descending triangle here, it's very likely we could see moves to the upside at this point. Personally, the last confirmation that I'm looking for is a buy signal right here in combination with these two signals, and those three combined will be one of the most bullish signs you can possibly get in cryptocurrency. We saw it right here, buy signal, move up. We saw it right here, buy signal, and a little bit of a move up. Buy signal, move up. It just happens over and over again. So that's what I'm going to be looking for, and as the price rises up, I think we could move all the way up back to where we were previously right here to test structure resistance at $1,931. This is my target moving forward. I think this could take about 14 days, 7 to 14 days to play out. So we'll keep you updated over the next couple of weeks. But if you want to pay attention to what Ethereum is doing every single day and keep yourself updated, you can grab all three of these indicators. In fact, all 11 total that Trade Confident offers for up to $400 off. All you need to do is click the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators are right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our store page. Just go ahead and click I want this. Fill out your information right here. Click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $349 instead of the regular $749. Absolutely insane price drop. This is $400 off. Just go ahead and click add to cart. You'll have that full $400 off all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators. Make sure your information is filled out. Click pay right here, and you are good to go. Once you have the indicators up on your chart, you will see price versus while money flow is low and trend exhaustion is low. Most often, this will result in price moves up. All I'm looking for before this move starts is a buy signal, and all three of these will combine to be the most bullish you can possibly get. The first target I'm looking at is at $1,931, and we'll have to reassess from there over the next couple of weeks. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.